Welcome to Young Learners Curriculum. I am teacher Brenda, and we are going to be making toilet paper roses with toilet paper and chopsticks, things that you can find around the house. These are absolutely beautiful flowers. They make wonderful gifts, and they also have their leaves on each flower. So in order to do this step by step, we are going to show you what you will need. For each rose, you're going to need one piece of green construction paper. You will also need, for coloring the rose, you will need eyeshadow and a brush. Pink eyeshadow I used, but you can use pink, red, purple, whatever color you think is best. Then you will also need Scotch tape. Then you're going to need a pen for drawing the leaves, a chopstick for the stem of the flower, and the most important thing is the toilet paper. I suggest you use 3-ply, 5-ply I tried, and it was it was very thick, so it was very hard to twist it and make the petals. So again, I suggest that you use the 3-ply. And let's begin. Just remember, you have to be careful as you're twisting it. So what I'm using is 3-ply toilet paper, and I take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's go for 6 pieces. Then I'm going to bend it to the down, corner it, and then the most important thing is to hold on with your thumb so you don't lose the tulips. So we're going to be making the petals, actually, not the tulips. Don't lose the tulips. So we're going to be making the petals. So to make the petals more curved, we're going to take it and then we're going to twist. Holding it with your thumb will ensure that it stays, but do not press and pull so hard that you will ruin the toilet paper. We don't want to ruin the toilet paper, and we don't want to tear it. So you're just going to keep going along to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, and to the right. That thumb is very important to hold it down, to the left, to the right. Left, right, left, right, left, right, until you reach the edge. Left, right, left, right, and then you're done. Now what you're going to do is put it in a little bit. You grab your chopstick and you are going to twist it very loose, but hold it because you're forming your flower. There we go. And hold it tight at the bottom as you're turning. As you can see, the petals are coming. It's starting to look more like a rose. If it gets twisted out of the way, it's okay. You can do it by hand. There we go. Turning, turning. And as you're twisting, you're holding on to your chopstick. Okay, and then you have the end. You just put the end there. Now push on it a little bit to make it more like a flower. You have a nice tight white rose. And then you're going to take your tape and you will grab the bottom of the tape and just twist the tape to the stick. And turn it a couple times to make sure that the flower is there. And then you can use your scissors for the tape. And I always turn the tape a little bit so that I can find where the edge is. Okay, so that's our first flower. Right now it's beautiful and white. You can use it and give it to somebody as a nice white rose, but let's add some depth and color to it. So what I'm going to do is I have different color eyeshadows. I'm going to be using 2 different pinks from my eyeshadows. I'm going to grab it, put a lot of it on there, and then just tap around your rose to give it that color pink. There we go. You're kind of painting it pink with the powder. And I'm going to try the other pink as well to give it 2 color pinks. I love the different color pink roses. This one really is good pink. And you can use blush or eyeshadow. I chose to use eyeshadow because I don't really use blush. I turn red naturally. But maybe you have blush around, or you can find a red blush. Okay, so this is our first pink rose. It's very pretty. It's pink and white, green construction paper. And you're going to divide your green construction paper into 4 pieces. So I have 2 because I have 2 flowers here. So I'm going to fold lengthwise. And then you're going to go back in and you're going to fold it again on both sides. So 1, and then fold that in half. There we go. And you're going to use your scissors and you're going to cut along the lines. So take your scissors and cut your paper into 4. Equal pieces, and we're going to need at least 2. There's a third one just in case for extra. So here's your 4 pieces. You divide your construction paper into 4 pieces, and for the leaf you're going to fold it in half and you're going to draw your leaf, but remember we're going to have to leave some room here. So just go up a little bit because that's where the stick is going to be, and then you're going to draw your leaf for your rose. I've done the other straight, but you can do this one a little squiggly. And then you take your scissors and you will be cutting it out. So first I'm going to go regular around it because it'll just be faster. And then to make it those, I'm just going to go up, then come down, up, then come down, up, down, up, down. Okay, and I'm going to do that on the other side. Up, out, up, out, up, out, up. So it looks kind of like maybe more like a leaf. And you can even fold it inward on both sides. Hold on one second. So where the stem would have been, there we go. Folding it. And then I'm going to fold the other one as well. There. So we have our 2 leaves. Now we're going to take it and create the stem. To do that, I highly recommend you take your tape and you have an area near you, so that you don't spend so much time cutting during the work. I put 6 pieces of tape. 1, 2, 3, and I just put them on the table or somewhere next to me. 4, 5. It's always better to have 1 extra than to have 1 less. 5. And this is the last one, 6. Now, you take your flower, at the bottom of your flower, this one to kind of take, you're going to be twisting. And to do that, I do it at the base of my flower and put the tape there at the base. And you're going to turn and twist. Well, turn and move it downward. Turn and move it downward. Hold it tight as you're going down. This will create your stem. Okay, and then to continue, you need at least your second piece. And instead of putting 2 pieces of tape, I use 1 piece of tape here. And then I'm going to do the same. Twist and twist it towards the bottom till I reach the bottom of the stick. and keep it tight because it's the stem of the flower. Okay, I have reached the bottom already. I have some extra. We don't want so much, so I will cut that off. And I'm going to use this tape now. There we go. And then I'm going to add my leaves. To add my leaves, I just put the leaf in the front, and I use 2 pieces of tape, one in the front of the leaves towards the front, and then one in the back. So now we have our roses. It is to make these beautiful roses out of, as you can see, these are beautiful pink roses, and they are made from toilet paper.